Let's have a look at some worded questions to see, to focus on what we've learned. Can we think about what this question is asking us to do and how do we solve it? So, the farmer has picked 25 apples. He puts them into bags of 5. How many bags of 5 can he make? So let's put them into groups of 5. 5 add 5 is 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 5. Now we should know that because we should know that 5 times 5 is 25. So again, just re-emphasizing how important it is for you to learn your times tables. And here is a number line showing how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something divided by 5 equals 9, and the same but for 12. Now remember, this number when dividing is always going to be the total amount because that's the number that you are sharing or grouping. Okay, so this is going to be a big number. We look at this and think, right, 9, 5. So if I put something into groups of 5, I get 9. Well, to find that, we should, rather than divide it by 5, we should times it by 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. 12 times 5 is 60. Have a go at the rest of the questions on the worksheet.